Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need an Azure subscription, a computer vision resource, and the endpoint and key. Create a resource in the Azure portal and copy the endpoint and key. Setup usually takes about 5 minutes using the Azure portal or Azure CLI. Choose REST calls for language interoperability or the SDK for faster integration. You can call the service via REST or use the official SDK for Python or JavaScript. Keep your key secret and rotate it periodically to reduce security risk. Use a post to endpoint/vision/v3. 2/analyze with the proper parameters. Set query parameters for visual features such as tags, description, and faces. Include header ocbpim subscription key and content type, application/JSON. Send JSON with URL, https://example, com/image, JPG, and receive tags and description. Typical responses return labels, confidence scores, and bounding boxes for faces or objects. Handle network errors and parse JSON safely. Test with curl first, then integrate into your application for production calls. Install with pip. Pip install Azure Cognitive Services Vision Computer Vision. Import Computer Vision Client and Cognitive Services credentials to authenticate with your key. Create a Computer Vision Client with Endpoint and Cognitive Services credentials. Key. Prepare an image URL or binary stream and call client. Analyze image with features like tags, description, faces. Inspect the returned object for tags, captions, and face details. For OCR or read, call read in stream or read and poll for results. Monitor usage and switch to pay-as-you-go for higher throughput.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.